Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mensah Alkebu-Lan. I'm a software engineer at Universal Equations. Not too long ago, here at Universal Equations, we published a blog post talking about the coming of records to Java 14. And the Java 14 release was scheduled to be for March. Well, it is March and Java 14 is here as promised, and it has a host of new features that you can look at. So I guess before we really started to dive into the few that I wanted to note, it's just, I guess, differentiating between the preview features and the core features in the library, the ones that you don't have to add a JVM flag to enable. The preview features, and I want to talk about this because I'm talking to the Java development community, and the preview features give the Java developers an opportunity to enable these features and give the owners of the Java releases constructive feedback so they can tweak these features, or maybe they need to get rid of them altogether, but that constructive feedback is helpful. And an example shows up in this Java 14 release because switch expressions was a preview feature that's now a core feature in the Java library. And this, for people who've been following this, let's get this closer to pattern matching. And speaking of pattern matching, there is an instance of preview feature that's been added to the library that you may want to take a look at. And there's another one that I think you all might be interested in. This is a preview feature. And this is the enhanced null pointer exception, error logging that and developers, and the hands-on developers know exactly what I'm talking about. When you're trying to debug a null pointer exception right now, it's kind of difficult to figure out where the null is. Well, this preview feature, and again, hopefully this will become a main feature once all the kinks are worked out, would give developers, would make it easier for them to debug these null pointer exceptions so they know exactly where the null is. And that would be save all the time for debugging and et cetera. So I think that's really all from my end. Again, hopefully you'll get this release. Obviously you can't run it in production. You'll have to vet, trust me, the production support will tell you about this. Yeah, you have to go through certain steps before things wind up in production. But as developers, you can be getting a head start. And again, providing constructive feedback to the owners of Java so they can, for the next release, it'll be that much better. But yeah, that's all from my end. I'll let y'all get back to work. Happy coding.